Today we are replacing this kitchen faucet because it is leaking. So the first we're going to cut off the water cutoff valves so we don't have water going off everywhere. And really all you need is the new kitchen faucet and some pliers and a sink wrench. And yeah, you should be good to go. So you pretty much need to cut off your valves first and then unhook your water lines. These are your water lines. And with your sink wrench, you're gonna get that bad boy off. Remember, cut off your valves all the way. Really, I just like to loosen it. And boom. Little water should come out, but that's fine. Just a little, not a lot. And then remove the, I don't even know what these are called. Like plastic screws or something. They should be pretty easy, but if they're old, since you're already removing the whole faucet, just go ahead and get some pliers and break them off. They should be brittle, that brittle plastic. So all the bottom is removed. So, boom. Fully removes the faucet. Clean up all what's left over debris so you can have a smooth seat when you put your faucet down. So pretty much nice and clean and now ready for the new faucet. Remember, in order to open the box for the faucet, there is a code. Hope nobody got that or saw that, you know, because it's a secret. And then new faucet up, and of course the new one comes with the sprayer. Whoa! I think the faucet came out. New one comes with the sprayer. This is where the sprayer goes, and it hooks directly into the faucet. So yeah, it's pretty obvious. If you guys have not noticed, this is not supposed to come like that in the box. So this is a return. Yeah, I mean, it's straight out of the box, snapped. And I didn't even touch it, but obviously I put the wrong code in, so there's that. So, but put the right code in for this bad boy, and we back on duty. Now, if your arm's long enough, you can pretty much hold this down at the top and spin this at the bottom, you know, to unscrew it, and then it'll fall right off. But yeah, this is where your sprayer is gonna go, and all the assembly pieces are going to come with it as well, or hopefully they come with it and not broken as previously shown. So what we're gonna do is pretty much slide this little sexy piece into there. Sexy piece installed. Now you gotta do is throw this bad boy in there, and what happens, this little piece locks into the bottom of that. See what I'm saying? Sprayer is installed, and remember, when you're doing your sink, the faucet hookup or whatever, hot is always pretty much on the left, and cold is pretty much on the right. But it should be indications, hot and cold. But the main thing is, it should go like that when you turn it and not all the way. It trips me out when faucet handles spin almost all the way around, because then they confuse a lot of people. All right, faucet is installed. Gotta tighten it up. I'm gonna get the wrench and tighten this up. Click this bad boy in. Turn on the water, make sure none comes out.
Looks like we good.
Boom. Repaired.